Back with a little more hidden history of Huntington Beach. This is actually not that hidden, thanks to this terrific kiosk that's here that talks about the World War II history up here where the Bolsa Chica Gun Club used to be. And after the Pearl Harbor attack, the gun club was taken over by the military. It was one of several installations along the coast to guard against any attack from the ocean. And this map up here shows you where the gun club was, shows you where the underground bunkers were, and also where the Panama gun mounts were. These were large guns that were placed here, never fired in combat, but they were fired in practice. And if you look up here to the right, in the ground there, you can see one of the two massive steel rings where the guns were mounted, pointing off to the ocean. So it's the genuine article. This is an actual World War II artifact up here at the Bolsa Chica wetlands.